Hi, all of you. Good morning. Coming to FIBE Advanced Academy. Okay, today we are going to discussing about topic is the new topic will be start today. The prerequisites. Prerequisites. These are junior JEE advanced syllabus. Will be discussed first in this chapter especially. So what is the prerequisite in the topics? In the first topic is distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points, we know that what is the distance between 2 points. So assume that a equal to x1 comma y1, same b equal to x2 comma and y2. These are given 2 points is given. From these 2 points we are going to find out the distance between of in AB on the x comma y plane. The formula is, we know that x2 minus x1 whole square, same similarly y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the equation of the whenever they given 2 points on the x comma y plane, the distance between A and B. These are two equation. And same way, what is the equation of the origin point to the x comma y? What is the distance between origin point x comma y? Where this origin point is a equal to 0 comma 0, then b equal to x comma y. Assume that. So a equal to 0 comma 0, b equal to x comma y. Here the distance between the two AB equal to the 2 points AB equal to, therefore root of x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Same way x square plus y square. This is the root. So understand, this is the distance between of whenever they given origin point to on the p x comma y or either b x comma y. But here, what is the x-axis equation? What is the x-axis equation? We know that whenever that we are going to discuss on the x-axis equation equal to y equal to 0, x-axis. Same way, y-axis equal to x equal to 0. This is the equation. X-axis equal to y equal to 0. Same similarly, y-axis equal to x is equal to 0. Y-axis equation. X equal to 0. This is the in first topic. Given question is, the point B is the symmetric to A 4 comma minus 1. This is the point, A point is 4 comma minus 1 with respect to the bisector of the first quadrant in the length of the AB. Actually, we are going to find out the AB distance. Actually, here, what is the solution? The solution is B image. What is the B image? A. B image is A with respect to y equal to x. With respect to y equal to x. Understand? So B image A, but already your given point is A image B, but we are going to interchange A image A B and B is image is B. Therefore here y is equal to x, therefore A equal to 4 comma minus 1. Then same way B image A, but A image B, there is nothing but minus 1 comma 4. This is 2 points. Now we are going to find out this distance between AB is nothing but, therefore AB equal to root of x2 minus is nothing but y2 minus 1 is nothing but y plus 1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square is nothing but minus 1 minus 4 whole square plus 4 y2 is nothing but 4 plus 1 whole square. Therefore minus 5 whole square plus 5 whole square root. Therefore, root 25 plus root 25 is nothing but root 50 is nothing but 2 into root 25. Both are root. Therefore, it is nothing but 5 root 2. This is the value. This is the distance between of AB. E image is A point with respect to y equal to x. Same way, A equal to 4 comma minus 1, B equal to minus 1 4 minus 1 4. These assume that values. Let B equal to minus 1 4. Same way AB equal to, already we know that this previous knowledge, the equation root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. These values we are substituting this given equation. So we will get 5 root 2. This is the distance. Next topic is section formula. Next topic is section. Formula is nothing but AB is a one line segment. This is a AB is the line segment. The P point is intersect AB line to district ratio is nothing but P. This ratio is M is to N. Here P point is divided AB line segment internally and externally. Whenever they intersect the P point is the internally AB line segment, what is the formula? whenever the intersect of AB line, P point is outerly, what is the in the formula will be discussed. Right, here in this condition, internally P point is intersect AB line, therefore A point is assume that x1 comma y1, same way B point is x2 comma y2. Therefore P point is P equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So this is the P point. Whenever the P point is intersect on the AB line segment internally, internally is nothing but on the middle of the AB. Same way, the same line segment intersect P point is outerly. This A, this assume that this point A, this point is B, this point is P. Here P point is intersecting AB line externally. Externally is nothing but outer point. So externally, therefore this point is P equal to, therefore mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n. Same way my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. So this is the formula of the section formula. Whenever the P point is intersect of the AB line segment internally, this mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Same way, similarly, the P point is intersecting AB line externally, therefore we'll get formula is mx2 plus minus nx1 divided by m minus n, comma my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. This is the previous knowledge of this formula. Especially this topic is in prerequisites and the topic is 2D geometry. This totally topic is 2D geometry. Next will be discussed in 3D geometry. So in the 2D geometry section formula. Example formula is, if the point x plus t into x2 minus x1, comma y1 plus t into y2 minus y1 divides the point x1 comma y1 next x2 comma y2, internally t belongs to is given is t belongs to is given. So what is the how to we are going to find out? Listen, here given point is given x1 plus t into x2 minus x1 comma y1 plus t into y2 minus y1. So these are given point. So this is a point. We know that from x1 minus x is to the ratio x1 minus x is to x minus x2. So here this is the point is x1, this point is y1. So substitute here in this equation, therefore x1 plus here x1. So this is what is the x1 value? X1. This is the x value. This is the x value. Therefore x1 minus x1 minus t into x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 is 2. Therefore, what is the x value here? This is the x value. x1 plus t into x2 minus x1 into minus x2. So this is the x point, this is the y point. Right. Same way here, these both are x1 cancel. Will get minus t into is written as minus is multiplied this one x1 minus x2 is 2, where this one is x1 plus this one t into x2 minus x1. This multiplied tx2 minus tx1 minus x2. Okay, in the both terms, listen here. In both terms, what is the common? x1 is the common in both terms. x1 common will get 1 minus t. Same way here, these are tx2, here minus x2 is there. Therefore, here minus x2 is common, will get 1 minus t. In both equation, what is the common? 1 minus t is a common, will get x1 minus x2. This is the is 2. Therefore, already t into x minus x2 is there. Therefore, here x1 minus x2 cancel, here x minus x2 cancel. We'll get finally the internally ratio. The internally ratio will get t minus this t is to 1 minus t. T is to 1 minus t. What is the? These are the limits. These are limits of the point is 0, 1. Okay. Therefore, here t equal to 0, then 1 minus t equal to 0, where t equal to 1. Therefore, 0, 1 is the one is the whenever the point is intersect of the diverse line segment, the internally on the t in with respect of in t. Therefore, value is 0, 1. 0, 1 is the